He has two more guesses at finding out his password. If he guesses both of them wrong, he permanently loses access to his digital wallet. His wallet has assets worth $220 million. What am I talking about? I am talking about blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, when it was first developed, meant that you have to keep access to your passwords very securely. But it did not account for a fact that if you forgot your password, you can set it easily. You have an Amazon account or a PayUmoney account or an account with Paytm. If you forget password, the company can reset it for you. In terms of blockchain services, where there is no company, whatever happens, if you do not know the password and you cannot recover it, you lost all the assets you have stored. And the biggest asset stored by use that uses blockchain is an cryptocurrency called Bitcoin. I've been a constant critic of Bitcoin because I have said Bitcoin is useless. It represents no value except that it is in short supply and therefore consumers are bidding it up because of liquidity created by Jerome Paul. Let's find out why Nicholas is in trouble. Before that, I want you to do the following. Hit the like button of my video if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to it already. But more importantly, persuade your friends and relatives to subscribe to the same. Oh, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, because if you don't turn on the bell notification, you will not get the video update every time I put out a video. The algorithm does not push the video to everyone who has subscribed if the bell notification is not turned on. Welcome back to Berich. Bitcoin is based on an extraordinary technology called blockchain. Blockchain will be soon adopted by the entire financial industry and other industries. This will revolutionize the way we do business and eliminate lot of middlemen. But in its rudimentary form, blockchain has several issues. Blockchain is so secure about its technological underpinnings that if you forget the password of your digital locker, there is no way you can get access to it. So, suppose you had bought Bitcoin a decade and a half before or a decade ago when it was launched, then you bought it for practically nothing. You had stored it in a digital locker and forgotten about it. Today, a single Bitcoin is worth $40,000 and you want to encash it. Unfortunately, you do not know what is your password. If you take guesses at it, it gives you a minimum of 3 to 5 guesses. And if you don't get it all right, you are locked out of it. People like Nicholas, who have bought Bitcoin when it was worth nothing and stored it in a digital wallet, are today unable to access it. A recent report in New York Times says total number of Bitcoins available for trading is 18.5 million pieces. Out of 18.5 million pieces, nearly 20%, that is 3.5 to 4 million, are lost or in places where it is inaccessible. What they mean basically say is that they are in places where it cannot be accessed by the investor. The people have simply forgotten their digital password. And because people have forgotten their digital password, and there is no automatic means to reset the password, there is no possibility of them getting back their money. And these bitcoins are lost forever. This artificial scarcity created in Bitcoin is one of the reasons why it is today trading at $40 billion. Add to this misery of people who know they have access to billions of dollars and are unable to reach them. If you assume it is only small mom and pop investors who have done this mistake, you are wrong. This is basically a human behavioral economics problem, forgetting passwords. So, lot of sophisticated investors have forgotten the password of their digital wallets. This includes lot of big hedge funds which bet on Bitcoin very early and today are unable to access these Bitcoins which they just want to sell it off. So you can assume that about $40 billion of Bitcoins are in lock technology, and Nicholas is one among them. Imagine that you have $220 billion and you are not able to access it. $1 million is 7 crores. That means Nicholas has 1,500 crores in the bank and there is no way he can take it out. And the technology of blockchain has been so developed that there is no way that anybody can help Nicholas get his Bitcoin out. And this is creating a lot of noise. So, Bitcoin has such no company to provide or store passwords. But the structure of this system did not account for just how bad people can be remembering and securing the passwords. Even as I said, sophisticated investors have been proved completely incapable of any kind of management of private keys. Diogo Monica, a co founder of a startup called Anchorage, is specializes in recovering digital passwords of hedge funds in which billions of dollars of bitcoins have been stored. He started this company in 2017. In 2017, he helped one hedge fund to guess and find out its digital password and get it access to its bitcoin treasures. This is a problem that future cryptocurrencies will have to deal with. Currency needs to be used by common man and should be easily accessible. The psychological follies of men need to be accommodated. In any currency, the idea is to protect its value, but at the same time, it should be made as a means of exchange. If you value each Bitcoin at $40,000, people are going to hoard it and they are not going to use it as a method of exchange. And when they hoard it and forget it, they are also going to forget their passwords. Most of you who watch this video would have forgotten their demat accounts several times. Think twice before putting your money in Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the book using the Kindle link given below. If you want a hard copy, send a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to get in touch with me, please send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. I am grateful for your support of Berich.